All right, so let's solve the system of three equations, three variables. So first thing I did is I called this equation 1, this equation 2, this equation 3, so I can show my work more efficiently. So my goal is to eliminate a variable, and you have your options. You can eliminate x, y, or z. So I think I'm going to eliminate x because I have this equation here where x already has a coefficient of -1. So if I multiply everything here by 4, I can add it to equation 2 and x is gone. And then if I multiply everything here by 5, I can add it to equation 1 and then x is gone. And then I'll have two new equations with only y and z. All right, so first I'm going to do equation 1 plus 5 times equation 3. All right, so equation 3 is here. Multiply that by 5. I get negative 5x plus that. It cancels out. And 5 times y plus negative 2y would be 3y. And 5 times 2z would be 10z plus z is 11z. And then 5 times negative 3 is negative 15 plus 3 is negative 12. All right, now I'm going to add equation 2 to 4 times equation 3. So 4 times negative x, negative 4x plus 4x cancels out. 4 times y is 4y plus negative 4y cancels out. And 4 times 2z is 8z, all right, plus 8z cancels out. All right, so I have nothing on this side. And 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, plus 2 is negative 10. All right, so this is a contradiction. Like, this cannot be true. 0 is not equal to negative 10. So if you ever go to eliminate a variable and you get a contradiction, then you know that there is no solution to the system, which is very possible when you have three planes. All right, if you imagine like three walls, all right, three walls could intersect at one point, or three walls could be parallel to each other and never intersect at a point, or it could be like three walls that make a triangle, so they don't all intersect at one point. All right, so this is no solution. Now, let's say that we did all this work and this came out to be a true statement, an identity that's always true, like 0 equals 0. Then that would mean that there are infinite solutions. And then what you would do is like choose a variable for like y or z. So you can let like z equal a variable like c. And then you would have, all right, so you have three things. So the z would be c. And then you plug in c for z and solve for y. And then you get y in terms of c, and that would go right here. And then you take these two expressions and plug them in for y and z into any of the originals, and then you get x. And then in terms of c, and that would go there. But I don't want to confuse anyone too much because that doesn't work here because there's no solution.